Hello, my friends. Kangaroo question in 2019 for 5 and 6. Question number 13. Bia plays with the yardstick consists of 10 sticks. This is 10. It's look like one line, as you see in the picture. Which of the following figure cannot? The word cannot is very important. Okay, cannot form the yardstick. Let's check the first one. Let's say this yardstick from where it starts and from where it will be end. Let's start from here, move with my hand, then go up, then left, down, down with the same line. So no problem. If I move this like that, I can make this shape. Okay, so this is no problem. The second one, if I use the same one to make this star, it's okay. I will start from here. Then the second here. Then I moved till I made the star. So letter B also no problem. I can do it. Letter C, if I put my hand here, I move like that, like that. Okay. Oh, this is a problem. I cannot make the other. I cannot cut it and put it. So this is wrong. Here, I can put my hand here and go up, then here, then like that. Okay, okay, like that, like that, like that. It's okay. The same here. I can start from here, then go down, left, up, right, then stop here. So this is no problem. The problem only we found it in letter C, that I cannot move this stick to make a rectangle and 3 line in the middle. So the wrong answer is letter D. We cannot be formed with this yardstick. Thank you, my friends.